In this movie, you'll learn about advanced search in Windows Vista. Sometimes intermediate searching in the search box isn't enough. Deep searching lets you search for different and multiple criteria. For example, you can search for the file name, the date the file was saved, and the location in which the file was saved. You can use Boolean arguments such as and or, as well as greater than and less than, to help Windows Vista search for the files or folders you need. For example, you may want to search for a file or folder that was saved before or less than a certain date. If you're searching in Windows Explorer, you can't access advanced search unless the search criteria you enter in the search box results in no items matching your search. In this case, the Windows Explorer window contains a button to access advanced search. However, you can access advanced search directly from the search window. Here's how. Click the Start button, and then click Search. Click the down arrow button next to Advanced Search. The Advanced Search pane drops down so you can specify one or more criteria for searching files and folders on your computer. As with searching in the search bar, you can narrow your search by clicking on one of the buttons in the Show Only bar. Select the location you want to search in by clicking on the Indexed Locations button. The default search parameter is indexed location, but you can search all hard drives on your computer, a specific drive, everywhere, or you can select a specific search location by clicking Choose Search Locations. If you want to search by the date but want to know your search options, click the Date button. You can search for any file or folder with a date, the date the file or folder was modified, or the date the folder or file was created. Click the Any button to the right of the Date button to hone your search even more. The default is searching for any date, but you can search for files or folders with a specific date, files or folders saved before a specific date, or files or folders saved after a specific date. If you select is before, or is after, you can select the date by clicking the Date button to the right, and then selecting the date in the calendar. You can move from month to month by clicking the left and right arrow buttons on either side of the month and year title. If you want to search by size measured in kilobytes, click the Any button to search for a file or folder with a specific file or folder size, a file or folder that is less than a specific size, or a file or folder that is greater than a specific size. If you select equals, is less than, or is greater than, type the file size in kilobytes in the Add a File Size box. You can include non-indexed, hidden, and system files by clicking the checkbox. Be aware that searching these files could add time to your search. Before you can search, you need to specify one or more file properties. Type a file or folder name, a tag name, and or an author name in the Name, Tags, and Authors boxes, respectively. Note that the search button is disabled if you don't type anything in any of these boxes. If you're not sure what the exact name, tag, and or author name is, use wildcards, which are special characters that can stand for other characters. For example, if you want to search for files that start with the letter N and end with the letter W, you would type N**W as the file name to search for. The asterisk represents all characters and any number of characters between N and W. When you're finished, click the Search button. Your search results appear below the Advanced Search pane.